Today I'm making teeny tiny macrame, some assembly required. I wanted to try something quick and fun today, so I thought I would play around with tiny macrame on pins, paper clips, and whatever else I can find. So let's have fun! I've always wanted to try a half moon kind of thing, but I have no idea how, so I will start with a test and see how it looks. Alright, well that's what I've learned. I wonder if it can have another row. I think that looks right. Let's unravel the fringe. Oh no, my ring light died. I'll just keep unraveling as I wait for my backup to charge, but it's harder to see now. Well, here's the lighting for the rest of the video. Kind of harsh. And here's my little half moon. Pretty cool. I bet you could keep making it bigger and bigger by adding more rows, but this is perfect for tiny macrame. Now let's try again with this yellow on a safety pin. Okay, pin's taped down and I've got 4 pieces of this cord. It is kind of a slippery cord, so it might not stay tightly knotted, but let's see. Ugh, I don't like the cord like this. Maybe I should tie it together somehow. Ooh, maybe not, but I bet I can unravel the fringe. Yes, it unravels nicely. Well, that's pretty fun, if not just because it's bright yellow. I like how the holes make a little smiley face. Now, let's try a little clippy thing with this pink cord. I think I'll use square knots to make like a little net for holding something. But what should it hold? A squishy ball? Maybe. Or a cool rock. So many possibilities. Ooh, I want to try one more net with this little skinny string. Look, it can hold a teeny fake plant. It could probably hold an air plant or like an itty bitty little succulent, but I don't have any of those. Let's have another look at them. This would be so cute with a real plant. And the color of this one is probably my favorite. Well, that was fun. Sure, nobody needs tiny macrame, but it was a pretty cool brain exercise. I had to really think about it to figure out what kind of knots would scale down to this little bitty size. Not all of them were successful, maybe, but that's okay. You never know until you try. Thanks for watching! If you had fun, feel free to like, comment, share, and subscribe. New videos come out every Saturday. So until the next one, be awesome. I'll see you then. Bye! Make some.